Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to exit full screen in Visual Studio. First of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Visual Studio. If you don't have it already, you can just go to your browser, go to the URL section, and then search for Visual Studio. And guys, please make sure that you are downloading the Visual Studio, not Microsoft Visual Studio. They are pretty much different softwares. As you can see here, Visual Studio has a blue logo and the Microsoft Visual Studio has actually a pink logo. So now what you have to do is go ahead and click on this website, visualstudio.com, and click on download, and just like so, you just have to create an account when you download it and then start working with any language you want. Now let's go back to our Visual Studio. Now, how we can actually remove the full screen or exit full screen? Well, first of all, when you actually make the screen kind of like that, which is big, this is not actually full screen, but you can actually make it smaller by clicking on this button over here. The second way of removing the full screen from your software, which is going to settings and click on settings here. Here's what you have to do is like go from here from Windows, and you can go ahead and search for full screen, which is going to take you forever. Basically what you have to do is go ahead and click here and search for full screen. Now as you can see here, what you'll have to do is whenever you find like a full screen button, just make sure to uncheck it. So window restore full screen. So here control whether a window should restore to full screen mode if it was excited in full screen mode. So here I highly suggest you to remove it. So after that, after you remove it, your window shall be going to the normal size, which is this size, and it will be no longer in the full screen mode. So yeah guys, that's how you can remove full screen or exit the full screen mode in Visual Studio. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in down below in the comment section, and see you in the next tutorial.